Hi darlings, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to learn how to apply different shades of ombre lipstick. So stay where you are and let us get started. I am starting by moisturizing my lips. You can use a lip balm or Vaseline, and then after that I'm going to use a foundation that matches my skin tone just to apply and color correct the color of my lips. You can see my lips are a bit darker, and after applying the foundation I'm gonna go in with the powder, a setting powder, just to set that foundation. This will help your lip to have more of a similar color, to have more of a blended color, and not to have like dark color on one place and lighter on the other place. And it will also make the lipstick or the lip liner to hold on so nicely, just to be nice. So I'm gonna start with a lip liner. I'm using this brown lip liner, and I'm using a thick pencil. Normally thick pencils, they tend to have more pigment, they're easy to use. So I'm just drawing I'm outlining my lips. I'm outlining the outer corner of my lips. As you can see, make sure you draw that cupid bone very well. That's what I'm doing, sweetheart. So I'm deepening the shade on the sides, as you can see. So I'll do that on both sides, and then you can see I left the middle part. And then I'm gonna go on with that nice lipstick. That's a liquid lipstick, and then I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna just outline again my lips, the outer part of my lips, and then just darken the corners, the sides of my lips, and that middle part I'm gonna leave it like that because we're gonna apply some other shade. So this is our first ombre. This is our first ombre combo. This is brown with another color you're gonna see. So you can do many lip combos depending on what you desire. So yeah, so you can see the sides of my lips, they're all deepened, they're dark. And then I'm gonna use this lipstick from Dose of Colors, and I am just gonna do the middle part. So the whole concept of ombre lipstick is that you just have two shades of lipstick. One of them is darker, like the outer corners are darker, and the middle part is lighter. And then I'm gonna go with the black lip liner just to deepen the outer corners of my lips more. The outer side corners of my lips. So I'm deepening them more just to get that dark color and all that, just to get that definition. As you can see, it looks amazing. And then I'm adding that lighter shade. I don't know, I kind of forgot which shade this is, but it's from Dose of Colors. Yes, so I am blending just by pouting my lips like that. And then you're not gonna end up there, you're just gonna go ahead and just clean the sides of your lips, just to see if there is some lipsticks around the area which is not supposed to be. So I'm just cleaning it using the foundation that matches my skin tone. It's very important. So you can see that's the combo number one, and it looks amazing. So I used the dark brown and that lighter I don't know which color this is, but it's Sand from Dose of Colors. I just remembered, yes. Then I'm gonna go to the next shade. The next shade we're gonna use black and reddish orange with black. So I'm gonna start outlining my lips with a dark color, with a black color, just on the sides. You're using the same technique, we're applying the same way as we did on the first combo. And I did the same process, just color correcting my lips first with my foundation and setting it with powder. And now I'm just outlining my lips, as you can see, and then deepening the outer corner of the sides of my lips, as you can see, and leaving that middle part as it is. You don't touch that middle part with a darker shade, darling. And then I'm gonna go with this lipstick again from Dose of Colors. This is like orange red kind of lipstick, this color, yes. And then I'm just gonna apply it and then just blend it. I am applying it and then blending it. I'll apply and then blending it. I'm blending like that by rubbing my lips together, and it sets in perfectly well. And then we're gonna clean the sides just to take away the unnecessary lipstick that is just wandering about around your lips, the outer space of your lips. We don't need that, so that's what you're gonna do. So that's what I'm doing, sweethearts. You can just be changing these combos and you will look amazing. These are perfect lip combos for a dark skin person, women of color, and you can see this is amazing. Just the black and orange red lipstick, and voila, you get that perfect shade. And you can see I am looking so beautiful and I'm feeling myself. So we're gonna go to the next one. On to the next one, darlings. So the next one, I'm gonna use purple and pink. So I did the same process. That's very important, don't skip it. You can see my lips have the same color. So I'm gonna outline my lips. The purple here is the darker one if I compare the purple I'm using and the pink I'm gonna use. So I'm outlining my lips with that purple color, and then we're gonna go with a lighter color, which is pink. So we're gonna do the same. Yeah. So I'm outlining. You can use any lipstick from any company, so it doesn't matter. It's not necessarily that you use the company that I use, as long as the colors are the same colors that I used. So yeah. So then I'm just, after outlining my outer lip, I mean the frame of my lips with the purple, and then I came with pink, light pink, and then I'm just adding that definition of the purple on the sides, and then we're gonna go on to the next step, which is cleaning. This is very important if you want that definition, or if you want your lips to pop, you want your lipstick game to be strong and perfecto. This is what you're gonna do, darlings. If you haven't subscribed, please press the subscribe button and the bell button so you're notified every time I put a video. I do videos on hair. I show you how to do your hair, quick styles for your natural hair, weaves, crochet, and everything. So yeah, it's all about looking good, taking care of yourself, self-love, and just look prettier as days goes by. That's what we do. So I'm just setting the concealer that I use, the foundation that I used to clean, and that's it. So this was purple and pink combo, and it looks amazing. I love it. So we're gonna go to the next one. Okay, come on, let's go. Oh, she likes posing, this girl, huh? Okay, on to the next. This is another combo, the same process. I'm gonna use this maroon. I don't know, should I call it maroon or should I call it dark burgundy kind of? Yeah, this is burgundy maroon or dark red. Can't call it dark red, this is maroon. So we're outlining with a maroon lipstick, as you can see, and then we're gonna go with that color, with a lighter color. You can just, you know what, you don't have to like have a formula. You can just mix the dark color, any dark lipstick you have, with a lighter shade. That's the whole concept of doing ombre lipstick. So that's it. And you can see the reason why we clean on the sides after applying the lipstick, especially when you're using these liquid lipsticks, it tends to like run around. It's very runny sometimes, so it slips, or it transforms from one place to another before it dries. So that's why we clean afterwards. And when you clean, after you've cleaned, make sure you set it up so that it doesn't crease. Yes, now we're gonna go clean. You can see it was all over, and we don't need that. You need to be very neat. You need it to be very smart, very beautiful, and attractive. That's what we're looking for. So I'm cleaning the side. After that, I'm gonna blend and set it with a setting powder so that it doesn't crease. And we blend. Afterward, we're gonna set it, and it's gonna be perfecto. So I'm gonna go again with a darker shade because I want it to be more defined. I want the dark shade to show. So I went in with a black lip liner and just deepened the sides of my lips, the outer corner of my lips, the corners of my lips, the sides, the left and the right. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we do. Yeah. So then I'm gonna blend just by rubbing my lips together. Blend until it's blendable, until it's blended, until it's no longer blendable. So that was the other shade, that was the other ombre, and tell me if this is not beautiful. It looks amazing, and I love it. Here is the last one. So this is like also purple and pink, but they're all liquid lipstick and they're matte lipsticks, and I'm gonna use them and it's gonna turn out beautifully. So I'm using the dark purple out on the sides, and then we're gonna go with a lighter color in between. As usual, the dark side goes on the outer corners, or the outer corners of your lips, the sides of your lips, and the lighter one comes in the middle. Actually, all these are purple, but one is lighter purple and the other one is the dark purple, not the purple and pink, sorry. And it looks amazing. So now you understand, you get the whole concept. Like, if you want to do an ombre, it's not necessary that a certain lipstick and a certain lipstick. No, just the dark lipstick and the lighter shade of a lipstick, and then you mix them together, and then you just apply it in an order whereby the lipstick, the darker one, stays on the outer corner and the lighter one in the middle. I'm gonna just lighten the middle part using, this is pot paint, so this lightens up your lipstick. If you want it to be a bit lighter, more lighter, you can see it has lightened it up, and I think it's a bit too much, so maybe, but anyways, we're gonna leave it like that. And I'm so happy with all the results that I got from these combos. Hope you can try some. Comment down below if you liked, which one is your favorite. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.